Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find your deleted post on Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead and open up your own Facebook and log in. And I'm going to just go ahead to my menu at the below right here. And what you're going to do, you're going to just click on your settings gear at the top right. Okay, scroll a little bit down till you find the activity log right here. You're gonna see it in the activity section. Just go ahead right here to activity log, and basically you'll be able to see your activity across Facebook, comment and reaction, and post. Okay, just go ahead right here and manage post. Okay, and basically you will see all the the newest updates from your post. Okay, if you posted or watched or whatever, you'll be able to see this is the video or this is the reel. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click on the trash at the top right, and you're gonna see right here I already deleted a post right here. If you delete the post on Facebook, it will give you a 30 minute trial until the post actually or permanently deleted, right? So you have 30 days left. So you can click right here the three dots to restore to your profile or move to archive or whatever, right? But if that 30 days just gone, or if that 30 days is maxed out, basically your post will be deleted permanently. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.